In this video, we are going to be analyzing Adobe ticker ADBE. Now, to get straight into it, just so you can see that these levels are holding, we did cover this, and this is why it's important for you to join the Discord. It is free in the description because we do cover stocks as the levels are moving towards them. And you can see we did cover this. We placed this 266.50 level before we even hit it. And obviously, you can see now we've already started to pull back off this. So again, if you want to see these levels, make sure you're in the Discord so you can catch these before they happen. But you can see near enough to the cent, this resistance held, markets opened, we came tested this, we're starting to pull back. What is this level? This is the second deviation on the 6-month chart. So again, a very strong level as you start coming into here. We would start to expect a pullback. We're starting to become very overbought. We're starting to become a bit parabolic. So looking at this again, usually short buys the first time we play it. The way we play these levels though, first time we touch the level, we play it as a pullback. Now, as you can kind of see now, we're playing that pullback. We would be locking in profits, you know, kind of near this low, kind of coming into VWAP. Then, if we kind of bounce off VWAP, again, we have a stop at break even on the rest of the side. So if we do pop back up, we're more likely to break. We want to be out. We don't want to be holding that short if it retests that high. But again, we want to hold some size because if we do break that VWAP, our main target then on the day is going to be all the way down at 442 or 443, which is our 2-day anchored VWAP. And if we can break that, we're then paying attention to $438. And again, that level especially is key because if we start to sell off, that's going to be our main support to be paying attention to, where if you're a trend trader, you may want to be looking to buy into this level. If you're a short bias trader, that is your target. Now, if we end up retesting and breaking this 466, and again, like we said in the Discord, I'm being more patient because we're seeing how this stock moves. I want to be waiting for our next level, which again we're going to cover now, but that's at 476, as you can see on the chart there, and obviously that's at this level here. So what I'm being more patient for is a wait for a break above this level, come back to test it as a support. If this level can hold, then we're looking for a move all the way to $477 or $476.85. This is our third deviation on the 1 year. Now this is key because third deviation, you rarely ever see stocks trade above their third deviation, and even if they do, it's very short lived. So if we can see Adobe push up to those kind of highs, I am very short bias on it. Again, if I'm a long bias trader, that's going to be my absolute final target. I want to be out completely into that level. But me, more as a reversal trader, going to be using that level to trade it short bias. It's an expensive share, so probably not looking to short the shares and buy the calls to define the risk. So there's probably two other ways I'm looking to play it. That's going to be buying the puts or playing vertical spreads for the way down. So that's going to be that key target on the way up to the upside. Again, that's going to be my main focus. I would be more patient to that level. And if we did for any reason break any higher, we do have $502 to be paying attention to. This is our third deviation bond, the 6 month, another key level. But again, I do think it would be quite hard to hit considering we have the 1 year here. Now, again, we did kind of cover those supports and resistances. That kind of covers everything we need to. But one last thing I did want to point out was what's happening between the 6 month and the 1 year. So again, we talked about our supports, we talked about our resistance, but you can see on the 6 month, we are uptrending. On the 1 year, we are basically flat with a slight, very slight downtrend. So whenever I see this, again, the 6 month and the 1 year chart are diverging from each other. They are just trading a bit differently. When I see this, I like to take a bit of a reduced size on the trades because again, if the longer term, if the shorter and longer term trend aren't doing the same thing, it's just not going to add as much conviction to that win rate. So really going to be a bit more patient and take a bit less size on a trade where the two charts are diverging. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you will probably enjoy this video too.